Okay, good morning all. Jai Sri Ram, Jai Hanuman. So today we'll chant Hanuman Chalisa for 3 times, and then we also practice. First, we'll start with Nadi Shodhan Pranayam to stabilize our nadis. Then we'll do a short forgiveness since Hanuman Chalisa Hridaya Mantra. So it's always good to clean our heart and move towards chanting Hanuman Chalisa. Then we'll do 3 times chanting. Then we'll do meditation, healing meditation. So during the 3 time chanting, maybe you are not familiar with the lyrics. So you don't, but throughout the meditation, you have to keep your eyes closed. For 3 time chanting, you just listen to the chanting. In case if you are not aware about the lyrics, nothing to just listen to the chanting and vibration, the music, whatever will be shared. So you just be with the chanting. Okay. So again, what we'll do during chanting, we'll cleanse our energy body. For that, mental and emotional, what we do when we start our chanting, first you concentrate, however, you will be in a closed eyes, concentrate in the center of your Ajna chakra. Okay. So center of your eyebrow, and throughout the first chanting, you be with the your Ajna chakra. If you know the meaning, excellent. So if you already learned through Hanuman Chalisa program, then you just bring all the meaning of each and every verses and the story behind it and be there. Okay. If you can chant internally, those who know the lyrics by heart, otherwise you just listen to the Ajna chakra and then come to your the heart chakra. Okay. So before coming to heart, we'll just put our concentration on the solar plexus. The chakra is between your navel and the heart. So between navel and heart, in case if it is a navel and this is heart, your solar plexus is center of your stomach. Okay, this region, the hollow region. So that's where the emotional chakra. So when we concentrate on the ajna, it's your mental body and the emotional body. And these two things are cleansed, so we are in a good shape. Then the third time chanting, you concentrate on your heart region. Okay, so your concentration should be on the entire heart region or your heart, wherever you can easily concentrate. So for 3 times, we'll be concentrating on the 3 position in our body. Then we'll go into meditation. So during the process, you just keep your eyes closed. Okay. Yeah. So what we'll do now, we'll do the and one more thing. So about this particular picture, you could see Hanuman is flying with the Sanjeevani Mala, which has herbs quality. So if something is flying in a higher pace, what happens? The dominant color will be visible. So that's why in this flying position, his color is full of green. That is a medicine property. Okay. So while we doing meditation, I'll just walk you through your internal organs. You just imagine this beautiful green and herbal quality. Okay, so which has a healing property. Then we'll concentrate on the uh, Hanuman with a beautiful golden color with the Sanjeevani Mala in his hand, mountain on his hand. So this will give more strength. I'll walk you through. Just you make up, since you would not be opening your eyes throughout the meditation. So I just, for your attention, I'm bringing these 2 pictures. That is Hanuman carrying the Sanjeevani mountain with full of green color. And when he got down and he is blessing us with a beautiful golden color complexion. Okay, so this is just have a mental image. This is what we need to go about it. Okay, now we'll do Nadi Shodhan Pranayam. So how to do the Nadi Shodhan Pranayam? Before, okay, so how to do Nadi Shodhan Pranayam? Your both the middle and the index finger, center of the eyebrow, your right nostril gently touched by your thumb, and left nostril gently touched by your little finger. Okay, so you will chant. Now, what you do, you inhale. You can start doing inhale and exhale, normal breath. One more inhalation and exhalation, normal breath. Now inhale for Nadi Shodhan Pranayam. Inhale, close your right nostril and exhale through left nostril, and inhale through left nostril and exhale through right nostril. So inhalation, exhalation, continue with the alternative nostril. This is also called Anulom Vilom, Nadi Shodhan Pranayam. Okay, continue. Inhale from your right, exhale through left. Whenever you start, you have to start inhaling through your left nostril. And whenever you're going to stop the pranayam, you have to exhale through left nostril and stop it. So inhalation starting and exhalation through your left nostril is when you want to stop it. When you say stop it, you exhale through your left nostril and stop the pranayam. So wherever you can continue for a 2 minute. Gentle attention on your breath. This will balance the Ida and Pingala put into Sushumna Nadi, which we connect to God, Hanuman. Do it gently and slowly. There should not be any rush. Have the intention that your Ida Pingala is being balanced. You can observe the free flow of air in both the nostrils. If the flow in your both the nostril is free flow without any obstruction or ease, then you are centered. If not, nothing to worry. During the chanting, you will be balanced. So slowly through exhale through your left nostril and stop the pranayam. Can you someone give me thumbs up if the audio is clear, everything is fine? So can we go ahead with the chanting? Thank you. Okay. So now before moving to chanting, we'll just cleanse ourselves, the energy, ourselves and the surrounding with Om chanting. You continue along with my chanting. Inhale. Om. Inhale. Om. 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 Final one. Om. Be with the observe. Be with the vibration of the Om. It cleanses your entire physical and emotional, mental, your aura, as well as Om purify the surrounding. Okay, with eyes closed, listen to me. Let's do a quick forgiveness. Mentally bring all the people who would have hurted you in any form, in action, thought, or speech. The degree may be varied, but they have hurted you. That you bring all the people in front of you, smile at them. They are been into your life to teach something, how to evolve in the humankind. So we have learned a lesson. Thanking for them, though they hurted us in various forms and given a lot of trouble, but we are in a position to forgive them. In that position, you just for your own benefit, you don't want to entangle yourself with them anymore. There is an energy link between you and the people who hurted you. Why to carry that energy link and also reduce your energy? For that one reason, let us forgive them all from your heart. Whatever they did wrong to you, you forget and forgive them. That you wish them that they don't do similar things again to you or someone else. Let God be with them, with her. You are completely forgiven. You smile at them and now release those people from your life, and they are going happily away from you. They are also very happy that you have forgiven. You are elevated yourself to the position of God and forgiven those people. Now think of the people whom you have hurted. It could be the same people who hurted you. You might have hurted them just to take some revenge, or it could be a people knowingly or unknowingly you are hurted. It could be a family members or anyone in your work environment, wherever may be. Bring those people who you hurted in front of your eyes and just seek forgiveness. I'm really sorry for whatever wrong action, speech I done to you. Please forgive me. By taking forgiveness, you are also elevated. You are so strong. Now imagine there is a knife, beautiful knife, coming in between those people who hurted you as well as you hurted them. The knife is coming in between you and cutting all the cords, string connection between you and them. Imagine it is cutting everything. One shot cut, everything is cut now. They are released and you are released. You are free now. You are energetically balanced, free. Your heart is clean. You do this process daily. It may not easy when you do first time, but do it daily. Elevate your consciousness, and forgiveness help you in healing, manifestation, and installing God in your heart. Also forgive yourself for whatever the reason you are hurting yourself. It may be because your mental, emotional action you may not able to perform. However, whatever may be the reason, you forgive yourself completely with full-hearted. You are a creation of God. Appreciate this creation and forgive you completely. Thank you, God, helping us to practice this forgiveness. Now be with the eyes closed. We'll chant Hanuman Chalisa. As I said, 3 chanting. First, you mentally have your attention on the center of your eyebrow to cleanse all your mental energy. Then you move your attention to the center of your stomach, that is between the navel and heart chakra, that is solar plexus chakra, which cleanses the emotional level. And then concentrate on the heart or the center of heart, Anahata chakra, so that you install God in your heart. So 3 times chanting, then we move into healing meditation. As we saw, the Sanjeevani, the Hanuman carrying Sanjeevani Mala, and with a golden complexion, we'll continue our meditation. Then we'll end the session. Okay, thank you. So be with your Ajna chakra. Your complete attention onto your Ajna chakra, the center of the eyebrow, and keep on listening. If you know the chanting by heart, chant it, or just keep listening it. Whatever thought to tap your heart region or do Jaikaram, whatever taught in the session in the Hanuman Chalisa program, you can practice those. If others, just listen to it.
श्री गुरु चरण सरोज रज, निज मन मुकुर सुधारी। बरनौ रघुबर बिमल जसु, जो दायक फल चारी। बुद्धिहीन तनु जान के, सुमीरो पवन कुमार। बल बुद्धि विद्या देहु मोहि, हरहु कलेस विकार। जय हनुमान ज्ञान गुण सागर, जय कपीस तिहुँ लोक उजागर। राम दूत अतुलित बल धामा, अंजनी पुत्र पवन सुत नामा। महावीर विक्रम बजरंगी, कुमति निवार सुमति के संगी। कंचन बरन विराज सुबेसा, कानन कुंडल कुंचित केसा, हाथ वज्र और ध्वजा विराजे, कांधे मूंज जनेऊ साजे, शंकर सुवन केसरी नंदन, तेज प्रताप महाजगवंदन। विद्यावान गुणी अति चातुर, राम काज करिबे को आतुर, प्रभु चरित्र सुनबे को रसिया, राम लखन सीता मन बसिया। सूक्ष्म रूप धरि सियहि दिखावा, विकट रूप धरि लंक जरावा, भीम रूप धरि असुर संहारे, रामचंद्र के काज सवारे। लाए सजीवन लखन जी आए, श्री रघुवीर हर्षि उर लाए, रघुपति कीन्ही बहुत बड़ाई, तुम मम प्रिय भरतहि सम भाई। सहस बदन तुम्हरो यश गावे, अस कहि श्रीपति कंठ लगावे, सनकादिक ब्रह्मादि मुनीसा, नारद सारद सहित अहिंसा, जम कुबेर दिगपाल जहाँ थे, कवि कोविद कहि सके कहाँ थे। तुम उपकार सुग्रीवहि किन्हा, राम मिलाए राजपद दिन्हा। तुम्हरो मंत्र विभीषण माना, लंकेश्वर भय सब जग जाना। जुग सहस्त्र जो जन पर भानु, लील्यो ताहि मधुर फल जानू। का मिल मुख माही, जलधि लांग गए अचरज नाही। दुर्गम काज जगत के जेते, सुगम अनुग्रह तुम्हरे देते। राम दुआरे तुम रखवारे, होत न आज्ञा बिन पैसारे। सब सुख लें तुम्हारी सरना, तुम रक्षक काहू को डरना। आपन तेज सम्हारो आपै, तीनों लोक हाँकते कांपै। भूत पिशाच निकट नहीं आवे, महावीर जब नाम सुनावे। नासे रोग हरे सब पीरा, जपत निरंतर हनुमत वीरा। संकट ते हनुमान छुड़ावे, मन क्रम वचन ध्यान जो लावे। सब पर राम तपस्वी राजा, तिनके काज सकल तुम साजा। और मनोरथ जो कोई लावे, सोई अमित जीवन फल पावे। चारों जुग परताप तुम्हारा, है प्रसिद्ध जगत उजियारा। साधु संत के तुम रखवारे, असुर निकंदन राम दुलारे। सिद्धि नवनिधि के दाता, असबर दिन जानकी माता। राम रसायन तुम्हरे पासा, सदा रहो रघुपति के दासा। तुम्हरे भजन राम को पावे, जन्म जन्म के दुख बिसरावे। अंत काल रघुवरपुर जाई, जहाँ जन्म हरि भक्त कहाई। और देवता चित्त न धरई, हनुमत से सर्व सुख करई। संकट कटे मिटे सब पीरा, जो सुमरे हनुमत बलवीरा। जय 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 हनुमान गोसाई, कृपा करहु गुरुदेव की नाई। जो सत बार पाठ कर कोई, छूटहि बंदी महासुख होई। जो यह पढ़े हनुमान चालीसा होए सिद्धि साखी गौरीसा। तुलसीदास सदा हरि चेरा की जयनाथ हृदय महडेरा। पवन तनय संकट हरन मंगल मूरति रूप। राम लखन सीता सहित हृदय बसौ सुरभूप। सियावर रामचंद्र की जय, प्रभु वीर रामचंद्र की जय। पवन सुत हनुमान की जय, उमापति महादेव की जय। बोलो रे भाई सब संतन की जय।
Now you move your attention to your stomach region between the navel and the heart chakra.
श्री गुरु चरण सरोज रज, निज मन मुकुर सुधारी। बरनौ रघुबर विमल जसु, जो दायक फल चारि। बुद्धिहीन तनु जान के, सुमिरो पवन कुमार। बल बुद्धि विद्या देहु मोहि, हरहु कलेस विकार। जय हनुमान ज्ञान गुण सागर, जय कपीस तिहुँ लोक उजागर। रामदूत अतुलित बल धामा, अंजनी पुत्र पवन सुत नामा। महावीर विक्रम बजरंगी, कुमति निवार सुमति के संगी। कंचन बरन विराज सुबेसा, कानन कुंडल कुंचित केसा। हाथ वज्र और ध्वजा विराजे, कांधे मूंज जनेऊ साजे। शंकर सुवन केसरी नंदन, तेज प्रताप महाजगवंदन। विद्यावान गुणी अति चातुर, राम काज करिबे को आतुर। प्रभु चरित्र सुनबे को रसिया, राम लखन सीता मन बसिया। सूक्ष्म रूप धरि सियहि दिखावा, विकट रूप धरि लंक जरावा। भीम रूप धरि असुर संहारे, रामचंद्र के काज सवारे। लाए सजीवन लखन जी आए, श्री रघुवीर हर्षि उर लाए। रघुपति कीन्ही बहुत बड़ाई, तुम मम प्रिय भरतहि सम भाई। सहस बदन तुम्हरो यश गावे, अस कहि श्रीपति कंठ लगावे। सनकादिक ब्रह्मादि मुनीसा, नारद सारद सहित अहिंसा। जम कुबेर दिगपाल जहाँ थे, कवि कोविद कहि सके कहाँ थे। तुम उपकार सुग्रीवहि किन्हा, राम मिलाए राजपद दिन्हा। तुम्हरो मंत्र विभीषण माना, लंकेश्वर भय सब जग जाना। जुग सहस्त्र जो जन पर भानु, लील्यो ताहि मधुर फल जानू। का मिल मुख माही, जलधि लांग गए अचरज नाही। दुर्गम काज जगत के जेते, सुगम अनुग्रह तुम्हरे देते। राम दुआरे तुम रखवारे, होत न आज्ञा बिन पैसारे, सब सुख लें तुम्हारी सरना, तुम रक्षक काहू को डरना। आपन तेज संहारो आपे, तीनों लोक हाँकते कांपे, भूत पिशाच निकट नहीं आवे, महावीर जब नाम सुनावे। नासे रोग हरे सब पीरा, जपत निरंतर हनुमत बीरा, संकट ते हनुमान छुड़ावे, मन क्रम वचन ध्यान जो लावे। सब पर राम तपस्वी राजा, इनके काज सकल तुम साजा, और मनोरथ जो कोई लावे, सोई अमित जीवन फल पावे। चारों जुग परताप तुम्हारा, है प्रसिद्ध जगत उजियारा, साधु संत के तुम रखवारे, असुर निकंदन राम दुलारे। सिद्धि नवनिधि के दाता, असबर दिन जानकी माता, राम रसायन तुम्हरे पासा, सदा रहो रघुपति के दासा। तुम्हरे भजन राम को पावे, जन्म जन्म के दुख बिसरावे, अंत काल रघुवरपुर जाई, जहाँ जन्म हरि भक्त कहाई। और देवता चित्त न धरई, हनुमत से सर्व सुख करई, संकट कटे मिटे सब पीरा, जो सुमरे हनुमत बलवीरा। जय 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 हनुमान गोसाई, कृपा करहु गुरुदेव की नाई, जो सत बार पाठ कर कोई, छूटहि बंदी महासुख होई। जो यह पढ़े हनुमान चालीसा, होए सिद्धि साखी गौरीसा, तुलसीदास सदा हरि चेरा, कीजय नाथ हृदय मह डेरा। पवन तनय संकट हरन, मंगल मूरति रूप, राम लखन सीता सहित, हृदय बसौ सुरभूप। सियावर रामचंद्र की जय, प्रभु वीर रामचंद्र की जय, पवन सुत हनुमान की जय, उमापति महादेव की जय, बोलो रे भाई सब संतन की जय।
Now move your attention to center of the heart region, right, heart, and cleanse your all emotion, hatred, anger, jealousy.
श्री गुरु चरण सरोज रज, निज मन मुकुर सुधारी, बरनौ रघुबर विमल जसु, जो दायक फल चारी। बुद्धिहीन तनु जान के, सुमीरो पवन कुमार, बल बुद्धि विद्या देहु मोहि, हरहु कलेस विकार। जय हनुमान ज्ञान गुण सागर, जय कपीस तिहुँ लोक उजागर, राम दूत अतुलित बलधामा, अंजनी पुत्र पवन सुत नामा। महावीर विक्रम बजरंगी, कुमति निवार सुमति के संगी। कंचन बरन विराज सुबेसा, कानन कुंडल कुंचित केसा। हाथ वज्र और ध्वजा विराजे, कांधे मूंज जनेऊ साजे। शंकर सुवन केसरी नंदन, तेज प्रताप महाजगवंदन। विद्यावान गुणी अति चातुर, राम काज करिबे को आतुर। प्रभु चरित्र सुनबे को रसिया, राम लखन सीता मन बसिया। सूक्ष्म रूप धरि सियहि दिखावा, विकट रूप धरि लंक जरावा। भीम रूप धरि असुर संहारे, रामचंद्र के काज सवारे। लाए सजीवन लखन जी आए, श्री रघुवीर हर्षि उर लाए। रघुपति कीन्ही बहुत बड़ाई, तुम मम प्रिय भरतहि सम भाई। सहस बदन तुम्हरो यश गावे, अस कहि श्रीपति कंठ लगावे। सनकादिक ब्रह्मादि मुनीसा, नारद सारद सहित अहिंसा। जम कुबेर दिगपाल जहाँ थे, कवि कोविद कहि सके कहाँ थे। तुम उपकार सुग्रीवहि किन्हा, राम मिलाए राजपद दिन्हा। तुम्हरो मंत्र विभीषण माना, लंकेश्वर भय सब जग जाना। जुग सहस्त्र जो जन पर भानु, लील्यो ताहि मधुर फल जानू। का मिल मुख माही, जलधि लांग गए अचरज नाही। दुर्गम काज जगत के जेते, सुगम अनुग्रह तुम्हरे देते। राम दुआरे तुम रखवारे, होत न आज्ञा बिन पैसारे। सब सुख लें तुम्हारी सरना, तुम रक्षक काहू को डरना। आपन तेज सम्हारो आपै, तीनों लोक हाँकते कांपै। भूत पिशाच निकट नहीं आवे, महावीर जब नाम सुनावे। से रोग हरे सब पीरा, जपत निरंतर हनुमत बीरा। संकट ते हनुमान छुड़ावे, मन क्रम वचन ध्यान जो लावे। सब पर राम तपस्वी राजा, तिनके काज सकल तुम साजा। और मनोरथ जो कोई लावे, सोई अमित जीवन फल पावे। चारों जुग परताप तुम्हारा, है प्रसिद्ध जगत उजियारा। साधु संत के तुम रखवारे, असुर निकंदन राम दुलारे। सिद्धि नवनिधि के दाता, असबर दिन जानकी माता। राम रसायन तुम्हरे पासा, सदा रहो रघुपति के दासा। तुम्हरे भजन राम को पावे, जन्म जन्म के दुख बिसरावे। अंत काल रघुवरपुर जाई, जहाँ जन्म हरि भक्त कहाई। और देवता चित्त न धरई, हनुमत से सर्व सुख करई। संकट कटे मिटे सब पीरा, जो सुमरे हनुमत बलबीरा। जय 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 हनुमान गोसाई, कृपा करहु गुरुदेव की नाई। जो सत बार पाठ कर कोई, छूटहि बंदी महासुख होई। जो यह पढ़े हनुमान चालीसा, होए सिद्धि साखी गौरीसा। तुलसीदास सदा हरि चेरा, की जय नाथ हृदय मह डेरा। पवन तनय संकट हरन, मंगल मूरति रूप। राम लखन सीता सहित, हृदय बसौ सुरभूप। सियावर रामचंद्र की जय, प्रभु वीर रामचंद्र की जय। पवन सुत हनुमान की जय, उमापति महादेव की जय। बोलो रे भाई सब संतन की जय।
You be there with the same vibration, whatever you got through chanting. You observe yourself. Your body is now full of the vibrational of Hanuman Chalisa. Each and every verses has its own meaning, and this has been chanted for many, maybe 500 years from now. So all the vibration which should help you to cleanse your mental, emotional, and physical energy, physical body. So now we slowly move into the healing meditation. As we saw, Hanuman was carrying a beautiful Sanjeevani mountain, which has herbs for all the things, whatever the disease or ailment, whatever exists on this earth, it has the remedy. We're going to take beautiful Hanuman himself does not know which one to pick for Lakshman's life. Likewise, he has entire Sanjeevani mountain for us to heal us. So let us pick with higher consciousness whatever the herbs, whatever the beautiful medicine we need for our healing process. Maybe it could be any sort of ailment, physical or emotional. We take those herbs from this mountain. You bring your attention to the center of eyebrow. Now you feel, you just imagine the entire beautiful herbs forming into energy and filling you internally and externally. Your aura is now filled with a beautiful herbs energy, green color herbs energy. Nicely, it's filling your aura. You're completely filled, and also the beautiful herb healing property herbs in form of energy is filling your internally, filling your entire body, each and every organ, chakra, your bones, tissues, muscles, cells, each every cell in your body is filled with the beautiful healing herbal energy. You are filled now. Just see that, see yourself, your body is vibrating with a beautiful healing energy, the greenish herbal energy. Now bring your attention to Ajna Chakra. Move your attention to inward, the pituitary gland, pineal gland, and hypothalamus gland. All the glands are filled with the beautiful healing energy, Sanjeevani healing energy. And your left brain, right brain are filled with beautiful healing energy. It's healing all your mental pattern, removes all negative thoughts and put positive thoughts. And move your attention onto your face, eyes, ears, nose, your mouth, jaw, lips. Everything is filled by the beautiful healing energy. Any sort of ailment or a disease in your face or discomfort are being now healed with the beautiful Sanjeevani, Sanjeevani healing energy, greenish, beautiful healing energy. Your back of the neck, the throat, the energy is moving and you are having abundant of energy. Already you are filled internally, externally. Now it is filling to specific chakras and organs. It's filling your throat. Your throat chakra is being healed. Any problem with thyroid, parathyroid gland or healed now. Feel that beautiful healing energy healing you, the entire system, the endocrine system, which consists of all glands, which regulates all the all the hormones, hormonal balances. All the glands are healed. Your neck is healed, and the energy is mostly moving to your chest region. Now you could see your chest, your lungs, your heart has been filled with a beautiful greenish Sanjeevani healing energy. Any heaviness in your heart or any sort of discomfort in the lungs are completely healed. Your lungs capacity is improved. The healing energy has healed you completely. Your heart is clean and nicely pumping beautiful healed blood to all throughout the body. The blood also becoming a greenish color with the beautiful healing properties of Sanjeevani. It is going to each and every cell. The blood is passing to each and every cell and healing every cell. If cell level is healed, your organs are healed. Your all endocrine system, muscle, tissue, bones are healed. Feel that your entire body is vibrating with a beautiful healing energy. Now move your attention to your stomach region. Your stomach is filled with a beautiful healing energy. Your liver, your gallbladder, your small intestine, large intestine are completely filled with the beautiful healing energy. Feel that it's cleansing any unwanted emotion or any physical ailment or blockages in your heart and your stomach. Let it release anything and make it perfectly all right. You are full of health. Most of the things happens at our intestine. Absorption of nutrients, cleansing, everything happens at your intestine. Let the intestine, stomach, everything, let it be cleansed, completely healed now, right now. Move your attention back of your body. The entire back is filled with a beautiful healing energy, greenish Sanjeevani healing energy. Your kidneys are being filled with a beautiful energy. Your kidneys are healed. Adrenal glands are healed. Your spleen left and right side of your body are healed. The energy is moving to your pancreas. The pancreas is completely healed. It is secretes the right amount of insulin for you to lead a healthy life. It is always active. It is all cell made up of a organ. We are healed at a cell level. So all the organs are healed right now. Now the energy is moving to your reproductive organs, your genital, any sort of unwanted energy or disease in your reproductive organs and the reproductive system are completely healed right now. You take your attention to the reproductive organs and fill with the beautiful Sanjeevani healing energy, greenish energy. It's healed. All the medical properties exist, and we are taking in form of beautiful energy, greenish energy, and it's healing you completely from top to bottom. Your pelvic region is filled with a beautiful healing energy. All your chakras, your Muladhara chakra, Swadhisthana, navel chakra, Manipuraga, Anahat chakra, Vishuddhi chakra, Ajna chakra, and Sahasrara chakra. All the chakras are filled with a beautiful healing energy. Each and every joint, every chakras, every nerves, all the nerves, energetic fields are completely filled with beautiful Sanjeevani healing energy. Thank you, Hanuman, for beautifully healing us. And your legs are filled with beautiful healing energy. Your thighs, your knees, your calf muscle, your ankle, your eyes, everywhere, internally and externally, you are filled with the Sanjeevani healing energy. All the herbs which are required for you to heal are working in each and every part of your body. You just be there, present there, let the healing happens with the grace of Hanuman, with the grace of Sanjeevani. Herbs, your eyes are healed, your throat, your chest, stomach region, your entire body, bones, tissue, muscles, chakras, everything is healed, beautifully healed right now. This beautiful healing energy. Now bring your attention. You are completely healed. Now bring your attention to the golden color Hanuman, what we saw, lifting Sanjeevani Mala in his left hand. Bring your attention to his forehead. From his body, from his stage, roop, we can imbibe whatever the quality we want. So let me go through each and every body part and imbibe and take the quality whatever you want. How you're going to take, you just continue the inhalation and exhalation. You inhale the energy of Hanuman and fill within you. You're going to continue your breath consciously. Voluntarily, you are going to inhale and exhale for each and every quality you want imbibe from Hanuman. You bring the beautiful picture of golden body, Hanuman. Start your inhalation and exhalation. Now take your attention to his forehead, and he is full of knowledge. He has the intuition power. He has access to all three worlds: Patalok, Burlok, Ansurolok, and above Satyalok. All the loks he has access. Only a few beings have access. The enlightened master have the access. Let also we also have imbibed this quality of access so that our intuition opens up. We know what is beyond the physical senses. Let our guidance, God guide through our intuition. Let our intuition open up. Let we have a great wisdom, spiritual, physical, financial. Hanuman is one of the greatest scholar here. Did whatever he has studied, whatever under the sun. His guru, his son, Lord Sun taught everything under the sun to Hanuman. So we imbibe all the beautiful qualities and wisdom from his Ajna Chakra mind. Continue your breathing. Feel the beautiful quality of Hanuman in your Ajna Chakra and the brain. Now move your attention to versus jaw. So jaw represents broken jaw. Hanuman has a broken jaw. So that's why it's called Hanuman. Hanu, broken jaw. It represents person with no ego. Let that egoless state, let us imbibe and release any energy from your jaw right now. You carrying, I am this, I am so much. Ego does not allow to imbibe the God's energy. Today it is we are under the God energy. However, going forward, so just drop any ego and be happy that every knowledge, every quality is bestowed by God on upon you. So what? Why to have ego? Drop all the ego like Hanuman right now. Release it from your jaw. Move your attention to the throat. Hanuman throat, golden complexion. He's a wonderful orator, beautiful planner, a thinker, no fear whatsoever. Imbibed all the qualities from his throat region. Keep breathing in and out and imbibe the quality. You are inhaling and exhaling the prana. Hanuman's prana. The god of prana is Hanuman. So it is so easy to imbibe the qualities and properties. He is ready to transform us. He is sharing his entire wisdom to you: health, wealth, success. You are super communicator, excellent planner, and your creativity is super high. Now bring down your attention to his heart region and see clearly, always in his heart, Ram, Sita, Lakshman are there. This tells us we have to keep our God in our heart, nothing else. When we keep God in our heart, we are not bombarded with any emotion, hatred, anger, jealousy, resentment. Everything is removed from your heart. So that's why Hanuman Chalisa is Hridaya Mantra. You install God, Hirayata Madera. You please come and stay in my heart, Hanuman, along with Ram, Lakshman, Sita. When you have a God energy in your heart, your pancha pranas are purified, your bloods are purified, the blood which goes to each and every cell are purified. You are purified at a cell level, emotional level. Imbibe the quality from his chest region. Break down our attention to his stomach. Stomach is full of courage, enthusiasm. He takes any task and complete it successfully. Such a beautiful finisher. You imbibe the quality of starting and finishing the task with full of energy. You are emotionally balanced. It also means a generosity. You are generous to share with everyone whatever you possible. Ashtasiddhi Navanidhi ke data Asubardin Janaki Mata. Sita had blessed Hanuman to share, to bless his devotees with all Ashtasiddhi and Navnidhis, all Siddhis and all the pleasure, whatever available on this earth to his devotee. So we can take that, all the pleasure and assert money and share generously with others. When you share, you will be bestowed more. You are moving your attention to his pelvic region. He is a super celibate. Control over everything, control over senses, sense organs. Being celibate is a topmost of control of senses. Let us imbibe the control over senses, whatever required at our level, and keep working on ourselves. Once your senses are under your control, your intuition opens up. Your willpower shows up. With the willpower, you can achieve whatever you want in the life. We have knowledge, we have willpower, all the siddhis and nidhis are with us, the blessing of Hanuman. What else we want? We have a beautiful body healed with Hanuman's grace. Let's use this body and our knowledge to improve oneself and others around us. Move your attention to the thighs, strong thighs of Hanuman. By the way, Hanuman has a son, Makradhwaj. So you would learn about him when you come to the Hanuman Chalisa program. So some would say unmarried people should not chant or worship Hanuman. It's totally wrong. He also married to Swarchala. So in all aspect, he's helping a humankind. Bring the attention to his thigh region and imbibe the strong, and whatever you're able to get as a challenge in your life, you just can make it, finish it without any effort. Such a strength you are getting from his thighs. His knees are so flexible. He's always ready to do Ram's duty. He's so flexible. And move your attention to his calf muscle. His calf muscle represents anytime, anywhere. You can move around, and able to manage any situation. Though calf muscle seems nothing, but it has a lot of work it does. It pumps the blood back to the body from your legs to the top of your body, heart. So, like that, you can be in any position and solve any problem just with the grace of Hanuman. When you have Hanuman in your thought level, action level, all the tasks are successful. Now bring his feet, bring your attention onto his feet. Since he had blessed you, whatever you want in life, now surrender yourself. When you surrender, you are fully taken care, and he'll also bless you with the removing all the sins of past life, as well as bestowing you a beautiful next life, if at all you need, as a Hari Bhakt. Surrender yourself, surrender your ego, surrender you completely with under the feet of Hanuman. You are fully taken care. You are fully blessed. He not only bestows whatever you required for this lifetime, as well as He bless you for to attain the life of this goal of this life. You are blessed with these beautiful blessings. Continue your breathing. Now you may need some beautiful quality from Hanuman. Maybe you want to learn something, or you want to improve something, whatever you want. Be with Hanuman and take his energy by breathing in and breathing out. Be there for a minute. Now slowly, gently bring your attention onto your nostril. You are completely healed and imbibe the beautiful quality of Hanuman. Now we are ready. Take charge of this life and move forward. The beautiful transformation. Take a deep inhalation and exhale. Take another deep inhalation and exhale. Thank Hanuman wholeheartedly for his healing energy, sharing the healing Sanjeevani healing energy with us, and with his wisdom, strength, all the qualities of Hanuman with us today. Thank you. Thank you, Hanuman. I love you, Hanuman. Thank you, Hanuman. I love you, Hanuman. Slowly, gently, whenever you are ready, you can slowly rub your palms together, a lot of energy, and place it on your eyes. And slowly open your eyes. Hope you all nicely enjoyed the meditation. So we do this kind of meditation, regular follow-up meditation. I would request you to join the Hanuman Chalisa program. So you learn the meaning of each and every verses, which has been bestowed for us well-being to increase our faith, our confidence. A lot of people carry fear, which is lack of faith. I too had a lot of fear, but after chanting Hanuman Chalisa, getting the grace of Lord Hanuman and Sri Ram, I'm much better and so grateful. So come along, take along Hanuman with you in the life, who can bestow whatever you want in the life: knowledge, wisdom, your healing, your manifestation, whatever you want in the life, marriage, son, kid. Okay. So not only he bestows all the things, he also removes all the unwanted diseases or ailment. Nase rog hare sab pira jabat nirantar Hanumant pira. There is a verse in Hanuman Chalisa says, you just meditate upon me, then all your pain, suffering, ailment will be removed from you. Such a great confidence he is giving to us. Such a wonderful, when you understand the meaning of each and every verses, chant and meditate, it could give a lot of benefits. So I'll just post my number and email ID below. You can contact me, message me for the upcoming classes. So please also share this video to those people who need some healing, who need some grace, who need some faith and a courage, fearless life. People are having all sort of unwanted thoughts, depressed. When Hanuman comes there, nothing can be there. Bhoot Pishacha Nikat nahi have, Mahavir jab naam sunave. When you chant Hanuman's name, no, no evil can be there. Moreover, our biggest evil is sitting in our mind and generating lot of negative thoughts, negative belief, right? When we remove this negative thoughts, we are completely free. Kumati nivarane sumati ke sangi, kanchan barana viraja subesha, kanal kundal kunchita kesha. So he removes all kumati and bestow sumati, that is positive thoughts, positive action, positive behavior. So a lot of things there. Secrets are there in Hanuman Chalisa that all you learn and practice. And we do also use Hanuman energy for manifestation. How there are few techniques will be taught in the program to how to manifest your wishes quickly. All we want is the energy. When we have the energy and what you feel, right? The feeling is in your heart. What you feel, you will get it in the life. To feel better, we need to cleanse our heart region, our heart chakra. The clean heart chakra will attract whatever you want in the life. That's why Hanuman Chalisa is called as Hridaya Mantra. It cleanses your heart with all unwanted energy and installs a God, Ram, Lakshman, Sita, and Hanuman in your heart. So you can attract whatever you want in the life and achieve great things in life. Thank you for being with me. Have a great day. Bye bye. Take care.